Just having my first attempt at making American cheese, so we'll just see how it goes. Got shredding my cheese, which is 700 grams. Got my butter and milk, just heating up to 66 degrees. The complete recipe will be in a link below this video. A bit of cheese, just add cheese slowly and start mixing it in. It's just a fraction below 66 degrees Celsius. As you bring up there, just keep making it nice and smooth, and it's just a matter of pouring it into the mould. So we'll give it a couple more minutes and then we'll pour it in the mould and I'll show you where you go. First time, I should have possibly used a bigger mould. That's okay, it'll still slice lovely. So I've got that mould there. I'll put them both in the fridge to chill, and then I'll look at. I'll take them out the mould, and then we'll look at cutting them up. This is really great for hamburgers, the old American style cheese. It's yeah, it melts beautiful. It doesn't matter if it's just on hamburger, if it's on toast or anything else. Put it under the grill, it melts absolutely beautiful. I put a little bit of turmeric in there to give it more colour, but there's no taste of turmeric in there. So we'll leave it at that, and when it's chilled, I'll bring it out and show you again. Okay, here's the finished product. Still a little bit soft, take out of the mould, but it's turned out rather well. I had these leftovers from that other small one I made, and I just made a grilled cheese sandwich. Oh, it was unbelievable, just melted beautiful. Anyway, that's it. My American cheese. I'll leave the recipe below